Brian here, just want to show you this car here. It's a 2014 Astra 1.3 diesel saloon in what's called an SC model. So this car I actually sold it brand new, and it's got a full service history from our Carlow Opel garage. The customers, I know them very well, but the car has become surplus to requirements, so no longer needed. There is no issues with the car. The reason they are disposing of the car is it's no longer needed in the household. So the good thing is, in fairness, it actually has tax 1220, it's got NCT 122, and it's a good, straight, honest vehicle. It's got about 66,000 kilometers. So if you're looking for a diesel car with low mileage, that is definitely worth considering. So our plan was to just present the car for the customer, because she's not familiar with how to advertise things on the internet and stuff, and I know them well, and they live close to my own mammy at home. So I just said, right, I'll get the car advertised for you. So at the moment we are presenting the car, well, I'm presenting the car in the way that you can buy it directly from the lady. Now I will do the dealings, but you can pay her direct, or if you want, there's no problem, we can sell it through the garage here and we can take a trade in, but unfortunately I would have to then move the car to a price level that incorporates dealer running costs. So really, if you didn't have a trade in and you were looking, and you're in the private market looking for a good diesel saloon car, I'm actually urging you probably to go buy this car directly, privately, which is the way that I'm kind of advertising it for her anyway, because you'll get, you know, it's better value overall, and you're cutting out the middleman, which is ourselves. As I was saying, I can do that kind of stuff, but unfortunately it does raise the price. So the car is currently advertised at the private sale price, to reflect the fact that it's not going through the garage. But any inspection is welcome. If you want to bring a mechanic, or if you're handy yourself and you want to look around the car, we can throw it up on a ramp, you can drive it the road, all that kind of stuff, no problem whatsoever. There is no skeletons here. The car is a good, reliable vehicle, and it's honest, and I know the car since day one as well, and I've been working here for a long time in the garage, so I'm not going to put my own reputation on the line if I thought there was something that was not right. So anyway, if you want any information on the car, let me know. Brian is my name. 086 843 1945. I need to give the car a quick clean because it's only after coming in, so I just had to take some pictures. But in through here, like what I was saying to you, there is about 66,000 kilometers. Fuel level low. How do you work these trip computers? Menu, I presume. So yeah, 66,000 kilometers. So trip computer in through there, Bluetooth over here, cruise control there, air conditioning and radio setup up through there. But I believe these are a very economical vehicle, because it's the 1.3 CDTI. So car's in good condition throughout, and the reason the man bought it was he had a Vectra, no sorry, not a Vectra, he had an Insignia that he traded into me at the time for it, and he wanted something with a big boot because he played some golf. But they no longer require two cars in the household, so that's why this one is being disposed of. Anyway, give me a shout if you want any information. 086 843 1945. Thank you for taking the time to watch.